In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can import Amazon products to your Shopify store. Now, this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to download an app inside your Shopify store. It's called Amazon Dropshipper. So you want to go to your Shopify and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels. You want to click then on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to search for Amazon Dropshipping, okay, in the top. So this is the app that we are going to use. It's called Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart. Click on it and then click install. As you can see, it says here dropship affiliates. It offers a lot of different features. After you install this app, let me explain to you guys. You want to click on install app. Now you want to go to Amazon, okay, and you want to find the product that you want to import to your own Shopify store. So it could be this product. You want to copy the link in the top. This is the URL link, and then you want to paste that URL link here. Click on get product. After, guys, you click on get product, you want to scroll down and you want to click add to my store. And it says here adding the product. It will take a few seconds before the products will be added to your Shopify store. Just reload the page, click on products and reload the page. As you can see, it takes it's like 13 seconds. It's not a lot. Okay, just reload the page. As you can see, it's still okay. Just going to wait a little bit. Let me check now. As you can see, this is the product. You want to click here, and as you can see, this is the product that we have imported from Amazon. Okay, so but keep in mind that a lot of people say that it will be shipped automatically. So if someone places an order on your Shopify store, then Amazon will ship the product automatically. That's not how it works, guys. You need to go back to this and you want to check all the features here, my orders, settings, and you can see if they can do that automatically to you guys. As you can see, for $300 per day, they will automatically daily price, like they will change the prices automatically and import user reviews and get product data and statistic. Unlimited Amazon affiliate import, automated order fulfillment option. That's if you that's if you guys if you pay $300. But if you only pay nothing, like you will fulfill automatically one order. As you can see, the first order soon. So that's exactly, guys, that's it. You just need to do that manually. You don't even have to pay $300. That's what I do, guys, most of the time. See you guys next video. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you next